Another thing that polynomials do to us that numbers never do is, of course, scrambling around the terms. In numbers, the digits have to come in order, or else it's a different number. In polynomials, we can change the order all we want, as long as, the negative sign continues to belong to the same number. For the division algorithm, we need our polynomials to be in descending order, and we need to fill in any holes. So in this example, our first step is to go through and put our terms in order. So in our dividend, we see that the highest degree term is this x to the third. So we'll start with the negative 2x to the third. Now we're looking for an x squared term. Here's an x squared term. Now we're looking for an x term. Here it is. And a constant there. In this problem, we don't have any holes in our dividend. We have a term in every place, especially if I correctly copy that x squared. It could happen that we're missing some terms as well. We'll see that in a later example. We would just need to fill in zeros in that case. In our divisor, we have a negative x plus 4. Right, so we put all of our terms in order, and then we can put them into our division bracket. Okay, so in this problem, I'm not going to write down what I'm thinking at each step. I'm just going to write down what I would actually write in the process of this division. So first we divide. I'm dividing my first term here by my first term here. Negative 2x to the third divided by negative x is positive 2x squared. Now I'm multiplying. Positive 2x squared times this binomial. I'll have a negative 2x to the third. Positive 2x squared times 4. I'll have a positive 8x squared. Now we subtract. Negative 2x to the third minus negative 2x to the third is 0. Positive 12 minus positive 8 is positive 4. We have a positive 4x squared. Bring down the next term. We get a negative 21x. Okay, time for divide again. We're dividing 4x squared by negative x. So we'll need a negative 4, right, because the negative 4 times a negative x will be positive. And we need an x. So negative 4x will be our next term. Negative 4x times negative x is positive 4x squared. Negative 4x times positive 4 is negative 16x. And now we subtract. 4x squared minus 4x squared is 0. Negative 21x minus negative 16x is negative 5x. Bring down the next term, plus 16. Okay, and now we're dividing again. This term by this term. Negative 5x divided by negative x is positive 5. Positive 5 times negative x is negative 5x. Positive 5 times positive 4 is positive 20. And we subtract. Negative 5x minus negative 5x is 0. 16 minus 20 is negative 4. We have a remainder of negative 4. So we write that as plus negative 4 over our divisor, 4 minus x. And there's our answer. Again, the only thing new in this exercise was that we had to write the terms in the divisor and dividend in descending order before we started.